feeling the heat of the fire.
Hello everyone, I am Adarsh and you are watching my YouTube channel Chef Adarsh. Today we are gonna be making dhokla. The first step to making our dhokla, we are gonna take our besan. I am using 1 cup besan. I am gonna add it into our mixing bowl. This is suji. This is 1/3 cup suji. I will be also adding this. Now I will be also adding about 2 pinches of turmeric. And now I will be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is ginger and green chili paste. I will be also adding this in my mixing bowl. This is a special ingredient which enhances the flavor. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. But in the end product, in the mixture of dhokla, it will really give a defining taste in the end. Now I will be adding water. I will be adding 1 cup water. We are supposed to add the same amount of water to equate our besan. This is 1 cup water. Now I will be adding my oil. It's time to give it all a good mix.
Feeling the heat of the fire.